Hey guys, welcome to another episode of All American Cooking. I am your host, Michael Allen. I'm a little disheveled because I just got off of work. It's a gorgeous day out, but it's going to be dark soon. I was hoping to get this stuff on the grill tonight. We're going to do it in the oven instead. I've got some stuffed pork chops that I picked up from the store. They've been dry brining in my fridge overnight, so just want to show you what those kids look like. Dry brine is simply putting some kosher salt on them, letting them sit uncovered on a rack overnight. And then I finished them off with some pepper and some garlic powder. Also going to make some roasted Brussels sprouts and some roasted potatoes. So this will be a quick video. I'm not going to show you me doing everything. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the process and what it looks like when it's done. So stick around. Hope you enjoy. So these are fresh Brussels sprouts. To prepare these is super easy. You're just going to take your sharp knife. You're going to cut the bottom little stem off. You're going to peel the outside leaves off and then cut them in half lengthwise. That's all there is to it. So as I mentioned, I was planning on going on the grill with these. So I've got this aluminum pan. This will work just fine. Otherwise, a regular sheet pan, cookie tray, whatever you've got. So after tossing them with about a quarter cup of olive oil, some kosher salt, some black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and some crushed red pepper, this is what you've got. I used that 3 peppercorn medley that we've used in previous videos. And for the crushed red pepper flakes, I also have a grinder that just helps to spread it out a little bit more. That's just for a little bit of heat. The smoked paprika for a little bit of heat, a little smokiness. These are going to smell and taste amazing. And remember, if you can smell the difference, you can taste the difference. So now these are going to go into the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. You might also notice that I put them all cut side down to get a little caramelization on the cut side, a little char on the leaves. This pan looks a little overcrowded, but I think we're going to be okay. Next, I've got these gorgeous baby little multicolored potatoes. This preparation is very simple. About a quarter cup of olive oil, some kosher salt, some black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. I've got some dried thyme leaves, and I took some dried rosemary and I ground it up because I don't like those little stems, those little needles of rosemary in my teeth. I do love thyme and rosemary on potatoes, a little bit of garlic. These are also going to go in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 30 minutes alongside the Brussels sprouts. Starting to detect a pattern here? That's right, this meal will be cooked in 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, here we go. Here are the stuffed pork chops. Beautiful, nice little color on the outside. The stuffing has a little bit of char on it. The potatoes are fork tender. They smell delicious. The Brussels sprouts have the perfect amount of char and caramelization. They also smell delicious. Let's plate this up because I'm starving. Of course, you know I had to give it a little bit of green, so a little bit of chopped parsley over everything. It smells so good in here. I mean, I'm dying to get into this. First, let's start with one of these gorgeous potatoes. They're slightly crispy on the outside, but they are extremely tender. Look at that. Oh, hot. Buttery, delicious, and I didn't even put any butter on them. It's just the type of potatoes that they are. They have a natural buttery flavor. The olive oil, the thyme, the rosemary, beautifully seasoned with the salt and pepper. All right, I got to get one of these Brussels sprouts here. These are my favorite. Look at that. They're slightly crispy on the outside. They are fork tender. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? That little Bit of the smokiness from the smoked paprika, a touch of heat from the chili flakes. Unbelievable. And now this pork. And I got to tell you, when I first cut into it, it's juicy. It is delightfully juicy. With a little bit of stuffing on there. Oh, come on. Come on. The dry brine is the way to go. I'm telling you. And it smells so amazing in here. I wish you could smell this. But you're going to smell this. You're going to smell this. Why? Because you're going to go home and you're going to make this. Right? Promise me you're going to make this. Don't eat boring food. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment below. And we'll see you next time on All American Cooking. Bye-bye.